We are John and Grace, and this video showcases Sullivans Bay in Mahurangi Regional Park in North Auckland. In this video, we will show you the paddle out to Saddle Island, how we use a sail to harness the wind on the return leg, as well as an assisted rescue.
Hey Rick, nice to take a little paddle today. What's this called at the Sullivans Bay and that island is? Saddle Island. What did?
Ranger called it that as well.
Saddle Island. Okay, you got a big posse out today.
Interesting if we can get into the channel and give it bumpy.
Yeah, it is a bit windy today.
Always wear a life vest and consider making your kayak more visible with a flag. We recommend you choose a day with little to no wind and cross to Saddle Island on the outgoing tide and return after the tide changes. On a day with just a little wind, the water outside of the shelter of the surrounding hills can get quite choppy, and this can be quite challenging. If you do paddle in windy conditions, be sure you can self-rescue if on your own, or your group can perform an assisted rescue. If you have enjoyed our videos or find the content useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. By liking our videos and subscribing to our channel, you increase the chance of our videos reaching more viewers.
You don't paddle. Yeah, nice.
Oh, that's so easy for I love it.
Yeah, still alive. Oh, shame.
Yeah. We found one that had 11 little.
11 arms.
Wow, never.
Pulled it up.
Well, this guy's lucky. I'm for one leg more than I'm going to eat, so. Doesn't fall within the 2-4 parameters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
that I've lost my composure. It's like I've been stuck in a blackout. Long night, cold sweat, I'm shaking. High time, low points, you take me. Missed calls, long texts, I'm slipping away too deep. Are you drifting? I feel a change in me lately. I'm all worked up when you're not around. You might think that I'm crazy, but I can't see straight when I'm falling down, 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 no, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. Lost in the love hangover. Every day you've been sticking around, wishing that I could hold you, but I'm thinking you turn me down.